Ever found yourself in a bit of a bind, needing some quick funds, and wondering about the easiest way to manage it? Perhaps you've heard of Beforepay, a popular app that lets you access a portion of your upcoming paycheck early. And if you're like millions of people worldwide, you probably rely on the convenience of Apple Pay for your everyday transactions. So, a natural question arises, can you use Apple Pay on Beforepay? It's a really good question, and one that gets to the heart of how we manage our digital finances today. We're all looking for seamless, integrated solutions, and the idea of combining the speed of Apple Pay with the accessibility of Beforepay sounds pretty appealing. Let's break this down. Beforepay operates on a fundamental principle. It's designed to give you early access to your earned wages. You link your bank account to the app, and based on your income and spending habits, Beforepay determines how much you can cash out. Once you request a cash out, the funds are then transferred directly into your linked bank account. This is a crucial point to understand. Beforepay isn't a payment service in itself, like a digital wallet where you load funds and then spend them. Instead, it's a bridge between your future earnings and your immediate financial needs. Now, where does Apple Pay fit into this? Apple Pay is a digital wallet service that stores your credit and debit card information securely. When you use Apple Pay, you're essentially using a tokenized version of your physical card to make payments in stores, within apps, or online. The actual transaction is still processed through your linked bank account or credit card. So, here's the answer to our burning question. No, you cannot directly use Apple Pay on Beforepay to pay for your cash out or to receive funds. Think about it this way. Beforepay's function is to disburse money to you, not to accept money from you for a service, at least not in the traditional sense of a transaction. When you use Beforepay, the funds are sent to your bank account. Once those funds are in your bank account, you can then use your debit card, which is linked to that same bank account, with Apple Pay for any purchases you want to make. In essence, Apple Pay comes into play after Beforepay has done its job. Beforepay gets the money into your bank account, and then Apple Pay helps you spend that money from your bank account with ease and security. It's a two-step process, not a direct integration where Apple Pay facilitates the Beforepay transaction itself. This distinction is important because it highlights the different roles these services play in your financial ecosystem. Beforepay is about accessing your wages on demand, while Apple Pay is about convenient and secure spending of funds you already possess in your linked accounts. So, while you can't use Apple Pay on Beforepay, you absolutely can use the funds you receive from Beforepay via Apple Pay once they're in your bank account. It's all about understanding the flow of money and the specific functionalities of each platform. Hopefully, this clarifies how these two popular services interact, or rather, don't directly interact in the way some might expect. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.